Hello friends, I am Simpy from Western Overseas. Do you want to know how to get full marks in the PTE Read Aloud question? Then must watch. This video is specially designed for the PTE Aspirants. Read aloud is one of the most important type of question in a PTE. Some facts about PTE Read Aloud. Number of items on the test day, 6 to 7. Integrated scoring or the sub-skills tested, reading and speaking. Score based on content. Score based on pronunciation and oral fluency. Now start with content. Here for the content, do not add more words. Do not skip words. And most importantly, do not replace the words. Just simply read the text. Second, oral fluency. Oral fluency is a measure of how smooth and naturally delivered your responses. Oral fluency scoring depends on rhythm, stress, and phrasing of your speech. Third, pronunciation. For the pronunciation, you should try for the native-like articulation, proper usage of stress words and phrasing. Please remember, this does not mean that you should try to copy the native-like accent. That is something different. Pearson acknowledged both the regional and national level of pronunciations. So this is about scoring. Content, oral fluency and pronunciation. Now the time to move to the tips. The best tips to get perfect score in the PTE. Start with the first tip. Start speaking after you hear the tone. Your voice will not be recorded before that. Read at a moderate pace. Avoid speaking too fast or too slow. Remember, do not skip words. Speak clearly without rushing the process. Next, very important, contractions should be read exactly as they are. Don't should be read as do not, and I am should not be read as I am. Do not make singular and plural nouns. Pronouncing boy as boys or houses as house count as an error. Make sure that you pronounce numerical values correctly. Do not forget to make distinctions between the start and end of the sentences. Use rising intonation at the beginning of the sentence and falling intonation to indicate the end of the sentence. Your text should be understandable to maximum regular speakers of the English language. So guys, this is all about PTE Read Aloud. Hope these tips will help you. For more videos, for more tips and strategies, visit to our website westernoverseas.online.